here, this is very easy to escape because we can go into all sorts of things. It's totally vertical. You watch, if I turn my hand a little bit, he can escape. It's here. That's why it's only here. Don't try to move like this. Now I see many of you are like this. Can you see this is very easy to escape? Hold right there, actually on the chest.
Yeah, I was about to say.
Can you see here?
Chest.
He has nowhere to go. This is called the Bao Chan. Bao Chan means you are holding a baby who is already wrapped. This wraps the baby, then hold. So can you see wrap, hold, like that.